Hello guys, good afternoon. It was funny today. I received a lot of emails asking me what did happen to the market. Most of our stop losses get triggered, and we're out of the trade. Now, when you put a stop loss, what does it mean? It means that you want to trade, and if you are wrong, you will have to lose little money, what we call small loss. Now, if you don't put a stop loss, what will happen to you? It will never happen in each trade. But if you don't put stop loss, what did you say to the market? Okay, you buy a stock. Let's say you buy a stock at $20. You don't put stop loss. You say, okay, it's just a small correction. It goes down a little bit. It goes up again. I'm good. I don't want to put stop loss. It happens to you once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5, 10. And you are always happy with that, okay? But one day comes when you put a big position and you don't put a stop loss, and there is a hedge fund that comes to this stock and he short it. Let's say the stock was 20. After a few hours it goes to 10 or 8 or $7. At that time, when you have a big loss, when you lose almost all your money, and then you remember what I'm saying, okay? You remember that instead of losing 20%, 30%, 40% of your money in one trade, if you lose, for example, let's say you lose, for example, let's say 2%, 1%, 3%, depending on your risk tolerance. Now, which is better? Is it better to wait your stock until it goes up, or is it better to exit the stock when you can't afford to lose more money? And trading, believe me, is just to control your money. Okay? To control your money, what does it mean? It means to control the expenses if you want to do business. Okay? So if you, let's say, if I always give this example. Okay? But some people, they don't pay attention what I'm saying. Let's say you have a store full, let's say it is a grocery store where we have food, vegetable, fruit, chocolates, cookies, wherever. Everything is full. Can you just leave your store open without cashier, without managers, without anything, and you put a notice on the entrance of the door of your store, and you say, please, you see the price, buy whatever you like, calculate how much money you should give me, and just put it on the desk. That's it. And you take your vegetable, fruit, or wherever you want to buy, and just get out. Now, do you think this is possible? No, it is not possible. Because the people, when they go to your store, there is no one there. They loot the store and they take all your merchandise out without paying. Now, this is what happened when you don't put a stop loss. Okay? It means you ask the market, you say to the market, okay, the market, if I am wrong, take whatever money you want from my position. This is what does it mean when you don't put stop loss. Okay, If you exit the stock and it goes back again, see, what's the problem? You just, if you like it again, just buy it again. Okay? It's so simple. And there are some people, they are looking always for a sure thing. And these people, they can't understand trading, and they can never be successful trader because they want always a sure thing. And I'm telling you always in my videos, from video 1 to the video right now, I don't know which number, maybe 800 videos. The first video to the 800 video, what did I say to you? There is no sure thing. There is no sure thing about this. Okay? So those people who get their stop losses triggered, it's a normal thing. Because you say to yourself, okay, I put stop loss here. If the stock is against me or the market is against me, I will lose $100. Okay, you know before that if the stock market is against you, you lose $100. So why are you surprised? You say, oh, my stocks are triggered and I lose money. Yes, you lose money. This is part of the game. This is part of the game. If you don't lose money, if there is no risk, it will be so easy. Everyone makes the money. That's why few people make the money and most of the people lose the money. It's just because most of the people, they don't understand the game. If you understand the game, you will make money. Now, let's say for me, what did happen today? I have 10 positions. I lost, it means my stop losses get treated for 6 positions. But I am still in 4. And all have stop loss. Okay? Some they get triggered, some not. Those that they don't trigger yet, they can go up again and I make money. Those who get triggered, the stop loss, what did I do? I just replace them. Okay? Just I replace them. That's it. I don't care about these stocks that the stop loss gets triggered. Because for me, I don't wait for stocks. Each day I can search, I find other better stocks and I buy them. And this is how I do the whole year. Now, this is the way I do business, and this is the way it's called trading with probabilities. Okay? There is no sure thing in the market. Whenever you buy a stock, there is no sure thing that tomorrow it will go up. Okay? But you do your best to enter according to your strategy. Okay? And my strategy, everyone knows the general idea. Okay? I buy the green candlestick above the resistance line. Now there are rules how to search, there are rules how to select stocks, there are rules of management, rules how to put stop loss and follow a trend. And this is my strategy. Okay? Now success comes to you when you understand the game. So losing money from stop losses is a normal thing in trading. So don't be upset or surprised because you say to yourself, no, my stop loss is false, I don't know where to put it. No, most of the time you are right. Okay, you are right, but for you, you think there is a better way, and in the market there is no better way. If you put stop loss and it is so near, it will get hit. Okay, if you put it so far away, the stock can go down and down and down and hit it, so you lose too much money. So the best way to do is to know how to calculate the stop loss. Now, I have made an ebook with all the explanations, but a lot of beginners, they don't want to, because stop loss, they thought about losing money. That's why they hesitate to learn about stop loss. As if you say, no. If I put stop loss, I will lose money. That's why I will not put stop loss. Okay, do whatever you want. But one time when you get hit, I repeat it again and again and again in all my videos, you will give up trading. Believe me. Because if you have $10,000 and in one trade, one day or two or three, you lose $5,000, you get so upset that maybe you give up and you shut down your account, you take your money and you say, oh, the stock market is full of scams, of short sellers, of those guys who are Wall Street guys, they take our money. No, the Wall Street guys, they don't take your money. It means you give it to them for free. Now, if you give money for free, even in the street, everybody wants your money because it's free. Okay? So when you give a charity, okay, you try to spend less, and you see, oh, okay, I give only $1 or $2. Why in charity you try to limit yourself when giving to other people? But in trading, when you go to the stock market, you buy stock and you leave it. Okay? Other traders, yes, they short the stock and they take your money for free because you give them the ability to take wherever they want. So this explanation I always do and I always explain. But some people, they get scared and they send me emails and they are crying. And they're crying because of the market. Oh, I have lost money. I put stop loss, I have lost money. I didn't put stop loss, I lost money. So how can I trade? Okay. The fact that you don't know how to trade is your problem. All the problems comes from the frustration and the stress of not being able to understand the game. And I'm telling you, if you don't understand the game of trading or the game of investing, you can't make it. You should understand first how things works. And you should be sure that this how the market works. You should learn, and then when you have an idea, that's it. So thank you very much. If you have more questions, just ask. Thank you.